Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable pickle Indian style. First, gather your fresh vegetables like carrots, cauliflower, and green chilies. Ensure they are thoroughly washed and completely dry before you begin. This prevents spoilage and ensures a crisp texture. Next, prepare your spices, including mustard seeds, fenugreek, and turmeric, which are key to authentic Indian flavors. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create our aromatic spice blend. Dry roast whole spices such as mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, and cumin seeds over medium heat until they become fragrant. Be careful not to burn them. Once cooled, coarsely grind these with red chili powder, turmeric, and salt. Meanwhile, chop your chosen vegetables, like carrots and cauliflower, into small, uniform pieces. This ensures they pickle evenly and absorb all the delicious flavors. For the next step, heat mustard oil in a pan until it reaches its smoke point, then turn off the heat and let it cool slightly. This reduces its pungency. In a large bowl, combine your chopped vegetables with the ground spice mixture and the warm oil, mixing thoroughly to coat everything. Transfer this vibrant mixture into a clean, sterilized glass jar. Ensure the vegetables are fully submerged in oil, which acts as a natural preservative. Proper storage is crucial for your pickle's longevity. Keep your sealed glass jar in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. Always use a clean, dry spoon when serving to prevent moisture and contamination, which can spoil the pickle. The flavors will meld and deepen over a few days, making it even more delicious. Enjoy your homemade Indian vegetable pickle with your favorite meals. And speaking of fresh, check the description below for a link to Little Trees, black ice air fresheners, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.